Hello everyone, I am Nityavati. Welcome to Love Max. It is 7th standard. We are going to see the topic division of fraction. Okay, so division, how to do two fractions division means it is very easy. You already learned about multiplication. Okay, based on that multiplication concept only we are going to see the division. For example, one sum is there, 12 divide 3 by 4. Okay, first step, this division is small. You have to convert as multiplication because we are knowing multiplication and division both are reciprocal. Multiplication reciprocal is division. Okay, so the first step, this division I want to convert as multiplication. How to convert as multiplication means I should write next number reciprocal. Reciprocal means ulta. Numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. So 3 by 4 you should write 4 by 3. Okay. Now this division I convert as multiplication. 12 means the meaning is 12 by 1. Okay, so one again how to do the multiplication as usual, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. If you multiply and convert in the lowest form also okay, otherwise 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so now 4 4s are 16, 1 1 is 1, so the answer must be 16. This also okay. Understand, anything by 1 is same number. So the step 1 is division, convert into multiplication. How to convert? Write this reciprocal. How to write the reciprocal? Ulta. 7 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 7. 2 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 2. Okay, only 7 is given. This reciprocal means, so 7 meaning is, fraction meaning is 7 by 1. This reciprocal means 1 by 7. Okay, in case 1 by 2 is there, so this reciprocal is 2 by 1. So if you need necessity 1 means you can write, otherwise you can write only 2. Understand, that's all the division. Okay, let us solve few more sums now. So another sum, 13 divide 2 1 by 3. Okay, 3 divide 2 1 by 3. This is your exercise 2.4 sums only. Okay, exercise 2.4. So 3. First step, division I want to convert as multiplication. How to convert? I want to this reciprocal. First it is a mixed fraction. You should convert as improper first. So divide 3, consider as 3 by 1. Then division. How to convert? Multiply this 2, adding this 2. So 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. Now both are in the fraction format. 3 by 1. This division I want to convert as multiplication. 7 by 3 how to write? 3 by 7. Okay, now how to multiply the division? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 3 3s are 9, 1 7 is 7. Some children here they are confused taking LCM and doing everything. Don't want like that. How many fractions are there? You just want to multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Okay, in case for example 3 fractions are there means, for example 1 by 2 into 7 by 3 into 5 by 6. So I want to multiply these 3 also. Multiply numerator into numerator. 1 into 7 into 5. Multiply denominator into denominator. This is the procedure. Afterwards, final answer you have to convert into the lowest form if you can. Okay. Next. Find the reciprocal of the each of the following. Proper fractions, improper. Classify the reciprocals are proper, improper and whole numbers. Okay, this is the exercise. It is very easy. Reciprocal means you have to write just like a ulta. Then you want to write is it proper, improper or mixed fraction. 3 by 7 reciprocal is 7 by 3. Okay, so 3 by 7. This reciprocal. This reciprocal is what? 7 by 3. Next. 1 by 11 means this reciprocal is 11 by 1. By 1 not necessary, so only 11. Okay. Next. 1 by 8 reciprocal also 8 by 1. 1 is not necessary. Next. 12 by 7 reciprocal is 7 by 12. Now you have to classify this is what type of fraction. 7 by 3. Denominator is less than numerator. So it is a improper. This is by not there. So it is a whole number. This is numerator smaller. So it is a proper. Like that you have to answer the second main. Okay. Next. Another one model sum. For example, 4 3 by 7 divide 7. This is also division. So division you have to solve as a multiplication, means first you have to do as usual. This is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction first you have to convert as improper. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31 by 7. Divide 7. You have to write the fraction format. 7 fraction format is 7 by 1. Next, 31 by 7. This division I want to convert as multiplication, means I want to write this reciprocal. 7 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 7. Okay, now what shall I do? Multiplication as usual. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 31 into 1 is 31. 7 7s are 49. If I can simplify this lowest form, if it is divisible by any now common number, is it a multiple of common number, means you can, otherwise leave the answer like that. Is it clear? So next we have to solve another one. 2 1 by 5 divide 1 1 by 5. Okay, both are mixed fraction. So you have to convert as a first improper. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Divide. 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 6 by 5. Next division I want to convert as multiplication. It is very important. 11 by 5. Division convert as multiplication, means write this reciprocal. 6 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 6. Okay, if you want to cancel directly you can cancel, otherwise now it is a multiplication. How to multiply? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 11 5s are 55, 5 6 are 30. Is it the final answer? No, not like that. This format I can simplify still, okay, because this is the multiples of 5. So using this division, divide 5 table, it comes 11 by 6. It comes 11 by 6. Is it clear how I will divide? Because 11 5s are 55 and 6 5s are 30. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer. I hope you are understand. Try to solve more sum. You can get the answers. Thank you, children.